Now let's talk about some other benefits of Google Sheet. Now suppose you are in your final year of your college and it is a placement season, and your class teacher or your placement coordinator have asked you to provide the details of each and every student. What you will do, you have to ask each and every student and then fill the details in your spreadsheet. But with Google Sheet, it is very easy. You can just share a link of your spreadsheet and then each and every student can just simply fill their details in that sheet and it will be automatically saved to your sheet. How simple is that? You can just share the link to your WhatsApp group and each and every student can fill their details. It takes less time and it takes less effort. Now how you can do this? You can just share this link. I have created this sheet which has name, class 12 marks, the first year marks, second year marks, their phone number and email address. Now you can share it using this share link. Go to this share. You can first name the sheet. So let's say placement details. And then you can share it. So first it is restricted. You can allow anyone with the link. Now it is viewable. You can use it to editable. And then you can copy this link and share it to anyone. So I will use done. Now I have the link. Now let me open this link with another Google account. So here I'm logged into this sheet with this different Google account. I will click OK. Now if I edit this, I can add my name, let's say XYZ. Then I can add my class 12 marks, let's say 85. My first year marks, 88. My second year marks, 91. My phone number and my email address, abc@xyz.com. I have not used any Ctrl+S button. It has already saved it. Now let's move back to my original sheet. Here you can see these are the details of the student or the person who have filled it. I have just shared it and here you can see this symbol or this design or something like that. It says anonymous 𝗙𝗃 or something like that. But why it is saying anonymous? As I have not shared it with someone. I have just shared the link and they are working on the sheet anonymously and it also says anonymous. If I share it with their email address and use send, then I can see their names as well. So as you can see, the cursor in this Google Sheet is here in this D6 cell and here it says the anonymous 𝗙𝗃 and here it says that it has been used by 𝗙𝗃𝗏. So if I use this cursor, it says their name as well. Because this person has shared the sheet to me, that is why it is showing the name of this person. Person is using the publicly available link and I have not shared it with this person. That's why the person is working anonymously. Now I have shared this link with the person with this email address and now I have opened this file with my Google Drive which I have shared it. Now I have clicked on this cell, or let's say I select these cells, and now it is showing that the Mohammed Nadeem or the person is using this cell. So this is how you can also know that which person is editing the details. Anyone can edit the details which you have allowed it. So this is very easy and time saving. So after completing all the details, after filling all the details, you can download this file as a PDF and share it to your teacher. So to download the file, go to Files, Download. Here you can download it as an Excel document or a PDF or a web page or a comma separated CSV file. So let's download it as a PDF. And here you can see these are the values and I can export and the PDF is downloading and you can see the PDF has been downloaded. It is very easy and very time saving task. Now we will move to the next video. Thank you.